Greetings, friend. Watch Refrigeration News for Tuesday, May 7th, 2024 on our channel Breaktimed. Criocabine sliding glass doors made of thermal panel with seal and magnet for optimal insulation. Huntapac puts efficiency front and center with 22 new A400 Advancer units. Eurovent Middle East announces new board. IAG Cargo invests €1.5 million in perishables facility at Madrid hub. NewCold to expand leading-edge food storage and logistics in southern Alberta. CAREL and SECO working together to develop an innovative solution in the conditioning and refrigeration industry. Enex Integral Unit, Poland. Optimizing fluid machinery, heat pumps, and hydrogen boilers. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today, Criocabine's sliding glass doors made of thermal panel with seal and magnet for optimal insulation. Criocabine introduces the latest technical features of our configurable sliding door refrigerated display cases, which are part of a continuous innovation process that continuously affects the company's entire product range. Specifically, all refrigerated counters that will be equipped with thermopane sliding glass doors will now feature a magnetic gasket that facilitates airtight closure and improves insulation to prevent dissipation. Read more of the news on our website today. Second news today, Huntapac puts efficiency front and center with 22 new A400 Advancer units. Huntapac, a leading player in the fresh produce industry, has acquired 22 new Thermo King A400 Advancer units from Marshall Fleet Solutions, reflecting its commitment to enhancing its operations while prioritizing efficiency and sustainability. Established in 1942, Huntapac has built a strong reputation for delivering high-quality fresh produce across the UK and Europe. Due to the sheer breadth of its operations, Huntapac's fleet requires the very best in temperature control solutions in order to deliver on its customer commitments. Read more of the news on our website today. Third news today. Eurovent Middle East announces new board. During its annual meeting on the 2nd of May 2024, members of the region's leading HVR association elected Mr. Andrea Cavalet, General Manager, EPTA Middle East, as President, supported by Mr. Morten Schmelzer, Head of Group Public Affairs, Systemair, as Vice President. The new Board of Directors brings refreshed energy as the association prepares for another prolific year of activities. The new Board of Directors further consists of, in alphabetical order, Mr. Peter Jan de Wolf, General Manager, Baltimore Aircoil Middle East, Mr. Marco Duarte, General Manager, EBM Pabst Middle East, Mr. Daniel Amana, Technical Director, Camfil Middle East, Mr. Benjamin Gorg, Sales Director, Robotherm, Mr. Fred Penhall, General Manager, CAREL Middle East, Mr. Srinivasan Rangan, Senior Director, Engineering, Takif, Mr. Francesco Scuderi, Born Board Member, Eurovent Association, Miss Lubna Sheikh, Senior Manager, Business Development, Troston. This year's election sees the addition of the first female board member, Miss Sheikh, which attests to the association's commitment to recognizing women in the industry. Read more of the news on our website today. Fourth news today, IAG Cargo invests €1.5 million in perishables facility at Madrid hub. IAG Cargo, the cargo division of International Airlines Group, has recently invested €1.5 million into the expansion of its temperature-controlled perishables facility in Madrid. This forms part of a total €12 million invested in the business Spanish hub over the last 6 years. As the first point of entry into the EU for perishables, IAG Cargo boasts an extensive network of connections from Latin America, with Madrid serving as a vital center for distribution of produce across the region. Read more of the news on our website today. Fifth news today. NewCold to expand leading-edge food storage and logistics in southern Alberta. NewCold, the fast-growing leader in advanced automated warehouse and cold chain logistics, announced plans to invest $222 million and create over 50 new jobs in Alberta's agri-food sector. With support from Invest Alberta and a grant from the Government of Alberta, NewCold will expand into the southern Alberta community of Coaldale, creating a cutting-edge food storage facility that will build on the region's strength as Canada's premier food corridor and contribute to long-term regional economic growth. Read more of the news on our website today. Sixth news today: CAREL and SECO working together to develop an innovative solution in the conditioning and refrigeration industry. CAREL Industries S.p.A., world leader in control solutions for conditioning and refrigeration, and SECO S.p.A., leading provider of end-to-end technological solutions for industrial digitalization, have signed an agreement to develop a new solution to support the digital transformation of the infrastructures in the segments where CAREL operates. Read more of the news on our website today. Seventh news today: Enex 500's Enex Integral Unit, Poland. Transgourmet Polska has remodeled a hypermarket in Warsaw with all the refrigeration and HP with natural refrigerant CO2. Transgourmet Polska, owner of the retail brands Selgros and Transgourmet, is one of the European leading retail companies. It has commercial centers in Germany, Switzerland, and also in Western Europe countries like Romania and Poland. Transgourmet Polska is at the very forefront regarding use of natural refrigerants in their shops since many years. Read more of the news on our website today. Eighth news today: Optimizing fluid machinery, heat pumps, and hydrogen boilers. Join engineers, researchers, and manufacturers at the Institution of Mechanical Engineers Optimizing Fluid Machinery, Heat Pumps, and Hydrogen Boilers seminar, taking place on the 12th of June 2024 at One Birdcage Walk in London. Join this event to better understand the way forward in the decarbonization of domestic heat production. Gain an industry update on hydrogen-ready boilers. Hear from experts on heat pumps installation and maintenance. Gather key regulatory and research updates from academics, governing bodies, and advisory institutions. Network with senior engineers, OEMs, and fluid machinery experts in order to progress professional and industrial relationships. Read more. Read more of the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.